Papenster terminus. The section from here to Onsival was replaced in December 1962 due to subsidence and bridge works. However, access to Papenster depot was retained until early the following year. On the way into Verviers, ones could be seen from the parallel railway. The next closures followed shortly after, on the 14th of January 1963, and involved the heavily used cross-town routes linking Stombert to Petit Ruchan. After leaving Stombert, the track followed a twisting course along the Rue de Tomberet. Movements on and off single track sections were controlled by means of batons. To reach the town centre, the twos descended some very steep hills, including this one on the Rue de Stombert. In Verviers, the fleet was usually classified by manufacturer. So when these scenes were taken by Fritz van Dam, the two batches of 1907 Nivelle cars were providing most duties on the twos. For coping with the many tough grades, they had two 60-horsepower motors, plus a variety of braking systems. The junction near the Palace of Justice. Visitors often got their first view of these bustling little trams when emerging from the railway station. After serving the central area, the cars crossed the river, before embarking on another long uphill climb, this time into the northern suburbs. The final length of single line to Petit Ruchan had 3 passing loops. One notable feature was this railway viaduct at Dizon. Phil Tatt took colour views on the two in August 1962. Running onto the terminal stub at Petit Ruchan was number 68. Although it was one of 5 Nivelle cars withdrawn following closure of the two, it was not scrapped until 1967. Another view of the High Viaduct. 94 would survive to become the official last tram in December 1969. 88 arrives and departs from Place de la Victoire to start the long haul up to Stombert. Stombert terminus.